Talking about the vote Hinon at this particular point in time look boring and look tiring because the vote is currently having about 6 zeros right now, which we were currently having about 5 0 before now. Then we are back to 6 0 right now, which it is currently down about 6.38% on the coin market cap and 8.4% on the coin gecko. So, but these are the interesting updates about the vote Hinon right now and the crypto general in total. So right here we are going to be seeing that the main market of the Bitcoin is currently down. So we are going to be checking it out on the coin market cap and come right here to check out the cryptocurrency and the ranking. We are going to be seeing that the Bitcoin itself is actually currently down and trying to gain up its ground again, and also the Ethereum, which also affected all the altcoins right here. So this is one of the things that affected the vote hidden right here also. So we're going to go into the Twitter handle and let's check out some of the latest update we have on the Twitter. We have a lot of updates right there that is going to be interesting and going to give us some information we need to hold right here. But remember, vote is currently on the Ethereum, on the Binance, and also on the Polygon. So to earn more and to learn more about that, just make sure you go right here to check more. You're going to be seeing this is the Polygon, this is the Binance, this is. And for viewers that are yet to buy, if you want to go ahead to buy in, make sure you make your personal research because this is not a financial advice. This is for information and entertainment purpose only. But before we go further, we actually I will see that the vote Hinnon volume is currently up in the last 24 hours about $24 million right now, and which means a lot of people are currently bagging the dip right here. So if you to buy vote, this is the current time to buy because of the downfall. We're having about 5 0 before, now back to 6 0. So whatever you're going to be buying now will be different from where you're going to be buying if you're having 5 zeros already right here. So this is how it is, and this is the trading volume for the last 24 hours right here. It's actually increasing very fast. So before we go ahead, let's go into the Twitter handle. Let's check what we have on Twitter. So make sure you're following voting on the official Twitter handle right here for you not to miss any update from them currently. Then what you're going to be doing right here is to come straight down. I'm going to say the tweet that actually came up about 40 minutes ago that I was talking about. Never underestimate the power of Inon right here, especially vote Inon. Like all Inon are actually important, but vote is one of the important area about the cryptocurrency right here. And vote is going to be marking a great top higher rank also very soon because together from the bottom to the top, like vote is actually moving very high. Vote is just about 1.5 year old right here, and it's currently marking up, trying to make a move, trying to do a lot of stuff in the industry right here. So there's a lot of update coming up, and by May 15 there's a lot of bonds coming up, about 1 million bonds that is going to be coming up on the vote right here, and this is going to be happening very soon. And one thing I need to say about making bonds right here, anytime bonds actually come up on a cryptocurrency area, it's actually giving it a great strong energy for it not to get ruffled right here. So that is going to be a great area right now, and there's a content coming up that will be giving a giveaway of 1000 USDT to 5 winner right now. That's about 2000 each for everyone, and this is currently great. We have to go ahead to benefit from this if you want to join. So it is currently still easy. This is about 10 hours ago. Then you can go ahead to benefit from this if you want to be a participant of this particular stuff right here. So we have a lot of updates coming up. Vote is still getting to be having a lot of collaboration, getting to list, getting to upgrade, getting to do a lot of stuff right here. We can see in this particular chart we saw that the borrowing market, we have after the votes we have the BNB, and we have vote and BNB at the same area right here. We are actually using BNB to actually purchase votes, and we're actually using the Ethereum also to purchase and Polygon. So that was one of the reasons why the area people actually purchase vote hidden is actually on the BNB, and this is one of the reasons why the BNB is actually ranking up also in the market right now. So we have a lot of updates. All you need to do is to sit back, sit down, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon. So when the updates are actually dropping, we're going to be making the update for you all and benefit from right here. So thanks so much for watching.